Hello and welcome to the annual Canadian Mining Hall of Fame induction ceremony at the Fairmont Royal York Hotel in Toronto. 800 people will gather here tonight to celebrate Canada's mining industry greats. Let's go inside to hear the stories of the Hall of Fame's newest members. Mining is risky business, but with some expertise, a little luck, and a lot of cash, the rewards can be huge. Let's find out how Canaccord founder Peter Brown changed the face of venture capital finance in Canada.
Well, I started in the investment business in September 1960 and came east for 8 years. I was third generation British Columbian, went home, and my partner and I bought 51% of the company that's now Canaccord for $23,000 in 1968, and today it's a billion-dollar company with 2,000 employees and a public company and the largest non-bank owned broker in the country.
And at the time, did $23,000 feel like a lot of money?
That's all I had.
Canaccord is the biggest independent investment banking firm in Canada right now, which is amazing. I mean, it started as you could almost say a bucket shop. It was a promotional company. Peter built it into a really first-class, stable investment house.
But it was quite the gamble for the 60s. At the time, the investment business was all about bonds and fixed income securities, and raising risk capital for mineral exploration was a tough sell.
People who played in equities were considered too risky. Instead of in those days you'd raise a big underwriting was $500,000. Today a big underwriting is $1 billion.
Brown worked closely with the Vancouver Stock Exchange, eventually becoming chairman. He helped build a vibrant junior finance market with an expertise in mining and exploration. Now junior miners flock to Canada to raise capital.
Mining requires finding ore bodies. That requires exploration. Exploration is a high-risk business. You have to have somebody raising the capital. Peter has developed a real talent for figuring out who at least was going to give it a good shot. Without Peter and the Vancouver Stock Exchange, there wouldn't be a Hemlo, may or may not be an Afton Mines, there wouldn't be an Eskay Creek. There's just a whole lot of fairly substantial ore bodies that wouldn't have existed without Peter's hard work and talent.
We worked hard to grow the industry and grow our firm and grow the international reputation of it. One of the things we like about the mining industry is it's one of the, especially in exploration, it's one of the few things Canadians are best in the world at.
How did you feel when you heard you were going to be inducted into the Mining Hall?
I was flattered. I was surprised. I'm not a miner. I'm a financier, except I guess in my 50 years in the investment business, I've probably financed more exploration than any other Canadian, so maybe that's why, but I was surprised.